प्यारे बच्चों, अभी मेरे साथी आपसे कुछ रिडल्स पूछेंगे
और आपको उनके आंसर्स गेस करना है। आर यू रेडी?
You open your mouth to do it. It shows you are sleepy. What is it? It's yawning. Right. It's yawning.
I fly, but I am not a bird. I have a tail, but I am not an animal. There is T in my name. Who am I? I look like a horse. I have black and white stripes. Who am I?
My name begins with Z. It rhymes with hero. Who am I?
I live in jungles. I am clever. My name begins with F. Who am I? दोस्तों, अब आप कुछ इस तरह की नई रिडल्स बनाइए।